Okay, we are broadcasting one more time. There's a bunch of seals and sea lions that have been hanging out right near here. Hey, Crunch Calhoun. So my name is Joe. We are kayaking on the Elkhorn Slough, and there were just a bunch of sea lions, a group of like 5 or 6 that were hanging out near the kayak. Hoping to give you guys a shot of it. Tough to catch it live. Every time I see some, I start the broadcast, and then by the time I get going, they're gone. I don't know if you can see it. There's a group of 3 or 4 right over there kind of hanging out. There's a seal. Come on over, guy. Come say hi. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit. $2 magic trick you did in Vegas. It's called Tembus. T-E-M-B-U-S. You can find it at Penguin Magic. I'm going to hang out here for a minute or two, see if any seals or sea lions or otters pop up. Welcome everyone. Welcome Sarah. Welcome Superfun12. Welcome Lucas. We are hanging out at the Elkhorn Slough, and there have been a bunch of sea lions and seals and otters hanging out. Hello! Hoping one comes near the kayak. There's one hanging out over there. Kind of funny, every single time I start the broadcast they go away. Only way to catch it is have it running all the time, but then nothing's popping up. But we'll just sort of hang out for a minute or two. Welcome, Melinda. It's a gorgeous day here near Monterey. Thank you for the purple hearts. I'm hoping a sea lion or something pops up. Probably see them popping their heads out. Hey, welcome, welcome. For those of you joining, my name is Joe McCullough. I'm a physics program chair at Cabrillo College in Santa Cruz, California, and I made a 1-year commitment to get on scope every day and share daily doses of dopamine through education, entertainment, and inspiration. Today's just sort of entertainment day. Checking out some new kayaks. We did a quick kayak to see how my daughter would do it. She's 3 1/2, and she's loving it. Oh, there's a guy. Hello. Welcome. Oh, come on back. Say hello. You're broadcasting. Did people get to see that? I can't tell. Oops, there he is again. Oh, there's a couple. Come on back. Say hi. When I'm not broadcasting, they'll come right up. Here's another one swimming out over there. It was pretty cool. There were just 6 or 7 of them playing right before I saw it. Great. I'm going to do this just for another couple of minutes, and then I'm going to head home. Welcome to all of you joining. Excited. This is the first time we've taken these kayaks out. And they're great. I'm digging them. Welcome, yes. Alright, here's like, hey, from Venezuela, welcome. Apparently have decided to go away for a while, but they'll come back. There's a seal hanging out over there. 2 of them. Maybe they'll come closer. And I hope that you can see this. The sun's reflecting off the screen. I can't see at all. commenting and I'm not answering, it's because I can't see your comments. There's a couple seals over there. Come on over, guys. There's a couple hanging out over there. Actually, you can see the light reflecting off his back. Do this just for about another minute and then I have to take off. Hoping to give you a shot of one that's really close up. Looks like there might be one hanging out over there. Alright, seems like maybe they've gone away for now. We'll give this just 30 more seconds. Alright, take that it for now. Really hoping I could give you a view of the otters. There were a couple cute otters eating abalone, but they are not here right now. Okay, sorry I couldn't show you more, but I will be kayaking again. We're going to start doing some ocean kayaking and hopefully we'll catch a whale or two. There is a seal right there, see if it's going to come any closer. Nope. There's one guy hanging out. Come on over. Hi. Come on over and say hello. Oh, went back down. Let's just wait for 30 seconds, see if he comes any closer. If not, then I will catch you guys tomorrow. Nope. Let me just say a couple. I'm on day 33 of a one-year challenge to get on Periscope every single day to share daily doses of dopamine through education, entertainment, and inspiration. Tomorrow I'm going to show you guys, or at least tell you how you can quickly memorize a group of names. I'm a teacher and I made a commitment to my students to memorize all 120 of their names by Tuesday, and I'm going to tell you guys how I did it. There is one more sea lion hanging out. Let me turn and then see if he comes any closer. Come on over, seal. No? Okay, well we're going to call that a day. I hope to catch you guys tomorrow.